the Jackson State University Marching Band is coming up to bring a little musical cheer to the kids in Blair E. Batson Hospital. And this is our pep band. And we're excited about doing it on a very special day, Fat Tuesday.
Happy Mardi Gras! We are so thankful for the Sonic Boom and everything they do for Batson. Just brings some normalcy. Kids would be having parades at schools and in their hometowns, and they get to do that while they're here in the hospital as well.
Today we're going to do our traditional theme song for Jackson State University, and that is Get Ready. We always march in with that tune. And then we're going to stop and do a little New Orleans type of second line music called Do What You Wanna by Rebirth Brass Band. Sonic Boom is the best band in the land, the #1 band in America. The pep band is made of a small version of the Sonic Boom, and that is the large band, which is about 240 people. We pull instruments from each section, from the trombones, the trumpets, the baritones, the saxophone, the sousaphones, the percussion section, even the J-sax, the clarinets, and the piccolos, and the mellophones. I think I got them all.
Oh, Townsend's so excited. We just got back from New Orleans not too long ago, and so he has been looking forward to this, and he wanted to throw beads. So he's very excited.
So he's here to review their work, I guess.
That's right. Make sure they're doing it right. Yeah, just make sure they're doing it right. Happy Mardi Gras!
Good day to be at Children's Hospital.
It's amazing, man. It's amazing. It's great to give back to the community and everything, and it's great to be a part of the Sonic Boom.
How's the Sonic Boom?
They're amazing. I love them. I've never seen them before in person, and they're so awesome to do this for us.
So how's the crowd on the parade route?
Oh, it's been wonderful. I love seeing the kids' faces when they see us coming through. Just a blast.
It's a great crowd, great crowd.
We're looking for a beignet. Happy Mardi Gras!
It's been absolutely fantastic. We couldn't have chosen a better event to participate in. The kids are happy, we're happy watching the smiling faces, and we are happy just participating. Just a wonderful time.
Happy Mardi Gras from Batson Children's Hospital.